ban penyari ke jing tip halor ke jing don kam ban scam ke jing mod jing perkhan ha ke bede bat ke jing koridor jong ke pule ke dang le bat ru ban tip ila ke jong ke bor lengba ke jing pentri kam ya ke National Education Policy arhajar arpau ke silam ai jing kai ha West Garo Hills District kabla tip kum ka College of Community Science kabri ke senat trikam hikai jong ke Central Agricultural University Impal hanin ke Sngi kelas dang ban Pynlong ya ke National Workshop ha ke baide ber ke jing sam ya ke jing tip halor ke jing don kam ban snguthu ya ke jing koridor jong ke jing pule puti nalor ke Samla ke balai Shimbynta ha ke workshop rengkat ke resource person ha ke Sngi penkut lai don langru menteri sarkar bopet ya ke tanat pule puti jong sarkar jela urakam sangma ubalwan poi kumukongsan kabalolong ro ha ka jing don lang jong ke kong Jenisha di Mayong kepada ke member jong ke Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights u Deputy Commissioner ke West Garo Hills District u Jagdish Chelani u Ganesan P u badai u Divisional Forest Officer ke West Garo Hills District ke Dr. Jyoti V Vastrat kepada ke Dean jong ke College lembat kiwe-kiwe kinong syakot sngewbha ha ke jing ajing kran ha ke jing ilang kila penpau bakalong ke jing don kam ke bahakmat bandon ki bakum kini ki jing ye kendo na ke benta ban pensya ye Samla ke balong kum Shimbynta benang penpro ye ke kom perkhat jongki na lor ke jing nang jing start ke baki yo na ki lenong kot jongki
has arrived as a mark of respect. May we please stand? May we all please stand to welcome our chief guest for today. The gift hampers contains products that are locally sourced from local entrepreneurs as well as products from the resource management cell of the College of Community Science, Tura.
There is nobody on earth who is well educated. Everyone of us, we are in the process on educating ourselves. And it will never reach an equilibrium stage. And anyone who says that I am educated is an educated, illiterate individual. What is outdated today, it's always outdated tomorrow. There's always challenging for each one of us. And therefore, this national education policy, as has been framed and designed by the Government of India, Minister of Education, this has been designed in order to face the challenges that is coming in for each one of us across the globe from tomorrow. Challenge in employment, challenge in climate change, challenge in knowledge crisis, challenge in peace and harmony across the globe. In all respect, we are going to face every one of us, a challenge in one way or other. My father used to tell me always, People think a successful man is the one who have done wonder in his lifetimes. The successful one is the one who discover, who establish, who perform the great things in his lifetimes. But it is not. The most successful individual on earth is not the one who had made historic in his lifetime. It is not. But the most successful man on earth is the one who have the capacity, who have produced the best successor behind. Therefore, I am educated today, but I will be a different person for tomorrow. I know many of our children, many of our kids, many of our younger generation, they are more equipped, they are more talented, they are more skilled than all of us in technology. We know even my young 12 years old daughters, she knows how to play the gadget of today's. Than me. This is with all of us. It's natural. I think the education in a general terms is something that it's a learning process. It's nothing else, it's just to discover the new things that is already existed. We are here to be educated, not for invention of any things, but we are here to discover that something already existed. Today, therefore, and also, the purpose of education is to discover that already existed. The resources, the strength that we have. We are here to get the knowledge, to discover what is to unfold what is covered. And second things, the purpose of education is for adaptation with a new changing scenario, with a new changing ecosystem of our times. Knowing about the challenges, Government of India, Minister of Education, knowing about the challenges to prepare a young generation of this country and to present to the world young, brilliant minds to send out across the world in order to equip with a strong pillar, with a strong foundation of all of the knowledge to make India a superpower in knowledge. The NEP 2020 has been designed in order to serve the purpose. So one of the main purpose of the NEP 2020 that the knowledge gained through this system will be shared, will be sending out across the globe, and also to invite the world academicians, to invite the academicians across the world to come to India and to set up a campus and to share the knowledge, the resources that we have.
Bring the right well-beings and holistic development of every child in Meghalaya and across the nations. As the members of Meghalaya State's Commission for Protections of Child Rights, I firmly believe that education and child protection goes hands in hands. A strong foundation in education not only empowers children intellectual, but also safeguard them from the vulnerabilities such as the child labor, the exploitation, neglect, and the child abuse. So when we invest in early childhood education, we invest the future of our country. That is, it is inclusive, just and filled with opportunities for every child, irrespective for their socio-economic background. So this workshop, ma'am, is very crucial platform for dialogues, experience of best practice and collective of brainstorming on how we can adapt and implement this new framework in unique socio-cultural landscapes of Meghalaya. Thank you so much, Mom, for this workshop. So on behalf of the Meghalaya State's Commissions for Protections of Child Rights, I assure you that we remain committed to advocating for policies and programs that prioritize the well-being of children, because together we can build an education system that truly protects, nurture, and empower every child in the nations. So I look forward to enriching the discussions, the meaningful takeaway from these workshops. So thank you so much once again for the opportunity to be a part of this significant event. Thank you so much, Khubor and Mitala.
Ranking as a state was very much impacted by our learning outcomes, our teacher training and our infrastructure development at all our school level. And Government of Meghalaya took that initiative to have mission education to ensure that we have better infrastructures for all our LP schools. And now we are contemplating an improvement to the Anganwadi centers. Again, a very important, very specific aspect of early childhood care, which comes from pre-nursery or pre-schooling through these Anganwadi centers, is again another aspect that under the Social Welfare Department we are now looking forward to. As a state, Government of India again has given a lot of financial support in this regard. And I'm sure that with time to come, we would be seeing better results in our learning outcomes. Today, we stand as a district with only 42% of passing percentages, and it's abysmally low. And this is by far our best performance in years. And I'm sure that with initiatives that are being taken today are foundations for a much better outcome in the time to come. And that's what I personally would always love to work towards. I'm very happy to have our Honorable Minister who has worked on these matters enthusiastically, beautifully well. I'm happy to have Community Science College in the and being in the campus here, who is taking the initiative of having this workshop and ensuring that a platform with all the prominent or eminent educators are here to discuss on these and have a fruitful, meaningful discussion, get good outcomes from this entire program. It's a journey. It's a long, arduous journey. No changes can be made. As it is said, Rome was not built in a day. And this is our Rome. We'll have to ensure that we toil together in this entire regard for the next maybe years to come. And only then can we give the children under us, the children under our guidance, the children under our respective jurisdiction, our schools, our educational institutions, the right opportunity to be in a place where they are able to fulfill their potential. It's not just for competition with other children, it's not just for anything else, but to at least for a person to innately fulfill the potential that they hold is what we'll always be looking forward to. I thank you all. I thank the Community Science College.
Including eco-friendly activities in their early education, we can make them smart, kind citizen also who protects our planet. And one more thing, I believe that children are born naturalists. Their eyes are by nature open to the glories of stars, by the beauty of the flowers and the mystery of life. I encourage the educators who are present here to continue training their children in the same way that they'll protect their natural kindness to other fellow human beings. I'm happy to see here teachers, educators and policymakers together to improve the early childhood care, and I'm fortunate to observe the laboratory nursery school which was working inside the campus of CCU. I could observe that they were giving the learnings through play and experiences, which I feel is the best way to educate the children. With this, I would like to say all the best to the participants who are coming here and wish it would be a great successful event.
Kini kikor komputer, kiba internet badur badar. Ni di hajan jongpi, hangne hadukan jongi. Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex, Harishan Enterprise, hakakamra kaba shispa iway. Refurbished laptop but desktop. Phun number. Pra iway layar not sau pra sansau. Lane pra lainyo arnyo sawar drunyo.
Rainbow of Sound Music Academy kepada Shillong mau beri Bhoi District, a music school kepada Pynlong, Shisian Shitiau Lynter Flower Higher Secondary School mau beri. Hak Sngi sajan adu spau beje main step, adu sau beje janmir. Kepada yang sumpai pi baro ki kena ki benda du nyau senam cheneng, ki Samla, ya piru baro ki long kemilong kepa ki bakwa banyo eng jingi kai jingnang sepang ke music. Hak ne ke music school don keyboard ki jingi kai kum ki gitar, keyboard, Tura, ke bom, ke sing, ke drum, Indian vocal, western vocal but khasi vocal. Kane ke music school ke jupunya street performance bagi konsert aman lau senam kum kadak ajing seluruh ki kena ki bawan Pule hakani ke music school ti parlok baro wan lompat slam wan ban shim ke admission hakani music school.
Pidon kam projector ban peni film ne pidon kam projector nak bentai ki awareness program jongpi phun Sngi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei khandai hendru wei ar nyau lai